Ever wondered how Google Maps provides precise traffic predictions? It's all thanks to a feature called Anonymous Location History. This tool gathers movement data from Android devices whose users have chosen to share their location information. The data is then compiled and analyzed, providing real-time traffic conditions. By observing the speed and movement patterns of these devices, Google can gauge traffic flow and congestion levels. This invaluable information then serves to give users accurate traffic updates, estimated travel times, and alternative routes to bypass heavy traffic. But what about privacy? Rest assured, Google anonymizes all data to protect user privacy. And for those who prefer not to participate, there's an option to opt out of location sharing. In essence, this crowdsourced data allows Google Maps to offer reliable, current information to its users. A marvel of technology, wouldn't you agree?